Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of virtual reality with the AMVR 3-in-1 handle attachment for Meta Oculus Quest 3. If you're looking to enhance your VR gaming experience, stick around because we're going to unbox, test, and review this accessory to see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's take a look at what's inside the box. We've got the AMVR handles extension grip for Quest 3, battery compartment covers, protective ropes, and a shift linkage rod. Everything seems neatly packed and ready for use. Now, let's talk about the key features of this handle attachment. It offers 3 modes of use: double stick mode, golf club mode, and long handle mode, catering to different VR gameplay needs. The solid structure design and innovative lock buckle ensure a secure fit for your controllers, providing triple protection against accidental drops. Plus, the comfortable grip and high-density sponge make long gaming sessions a breeze. I've spent some time testing this attachment with popular VR games like Beat Saber, Gorilla Tag, and Golf Plus. I have to say, the immersive experience it offers is truly remarkable. The grips feel natural in my hands, and the enhanced stability allows for precise movements, especially in fast-paced games like Beat Saber. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the attachment enhances immersion, provides a secure grip, and offers versatility with its 3 modes. However, some users have reported issues with tracking, particularly in certain games, and there's a bit of setup required every time you use it. So, is the AMVR 3-in-1 handle attachment worth it? In my opinion, if you're a serious VR gamer looking to take your experience to the next level, then yes, it's definitely worth considering. Despite a few minor drawbacks, the benefits it brings to gameplay far outweigh them. That wraps up our review of the AMVR 3-in-1 handle attachment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming. Remember to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.